Hi all, in this video we're going to discuss about the chapter 2. This is the shortest and easiest chapter in the official study guide. It explains about what is the UK. The UK is made up of England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. The rest of the island is an independent country. The official name of the country is the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Great Britain refers only to England, Scotland and Wales, but not to Northern Ireland. The words Britain, British Isles or British, however, are used to refer to everyone in the UK, which includes England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. There are also several islands which are closely linked with the UK but are not part of it. The Channel Islands and the Isle of Man. These have their own governments and are called crown dependencies, but not part of the UK. There are also several British overseas territories in other parts of the world, such as St. Helena and the Falkland Islands. They are also linked to the UK, but are not part of the UK. The UK is governed by the Parliament sitting in Westminster. Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland also have parliaments or assemblies of their own, with devolved powers in defined areas. Now let's discuss about the questions that could come from this chapter. Which of the following territories doesn't belong to the Great Britain? So from the name of the entire UK, which is the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, itself indicates apart from Northern Ireland, the rest of the countries are in the Great Britain, which includes Scotland, Wales and England. So the territory that doesn't belong to the Great Britain is Northern Ireland. Next question, which two of the following islands are known as crown dependencies? So we discussed about the crown dependencies, which includes the Isle of Man and the Channel Islands, which is known as the crown dependencies but still not part of the UK. Where is the Parliament of the UK located? As we already discussed, it's not in Manchester, it's in Westminster. Which of the following sentences is true? The UK is governed by the Parliament sitting in Edinburgh. We know that the UK is governed by the Parliament sitting in Westminster. Scotland and Wales have parliaments or assemblies of their own, but not Northern Ireland. That's not really true, as we discussed in the chapter. Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland also have parliaments or assemblies of their own, with devolved powers in defined areas. The UK is governed by the Parliament sitting in Glasgow. That's not true. So that's false, that's false, that's another false. And we know that Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland also have parliaments or assemblies of their own, with devolved powers in defined areas. So that's the right answer.